If you've got a busy household and mornings are a scramble, literally, this one's for you. We're whipping up a massive batch of freezer-friendly breakfast burritos that are hearty, delicious, and perfect for grab-and-go meals. Let's get started. I picked up almost everything at Aldi. They make bulk cooking affordable and easy. The only thing I couldn't find there was taco sauce. Pictured is frozen spinach from Meijer, but Aldi also carries fresh spinach if you prefer. First up, cook 3 pounds of Italian sausage until browned and flavorful. Drain the grease and set it aside. Pro tip: I like to cook the sausage ahead of time and freeze it. So when I'm ready to assemble the burritos, half the work is already done. Now for the eggs, we're using 1 dozen large eggs and 3 cartons of egg whites. This cuts down on calories while keeping all the protein. And trust me, one of these burritos will keep you full until lunch. Scramble everything until light and fluffy. I use a big wok for this whole process. 1 pan equals less cleanup. Just make sure you drain any extra moisture from each batch before mixing everything together. No one wants soggy burritos. Now cook 2 bags of hash browns until golden. While they're cooking, toss in a bag of kale and a bag of spinach. Even picky eaters won't notice the greens once they're mixed in. They sneak in a nice nutrition boost without overpowering the flavor. Once everything's cooked, combine it all in a large bowl. Now it's time to build. Grab your tortillas, we used 8-inch, and layer in a scoop of filling, a handful of shredded cheese, you'll need about 3 pounds total, and a drizzle of taco sauce, 3 bottles for the whole batch. Don't overstuff them. Learn from us. A few test burritos will help you get the right amount so they don't burst open. Once rolled, stack them in a nice little pyramid and repack them in the empty tortilla bags. This batch made about 68 burritos and cost $90, which breaks down to just $1.33 per burrito. Not bad for a filling, homemade breakfast. To reheat from frozen, microwave for 2 minutes, then finish in the toaster oven for a few minutes to crisp them up. Microwaving alone works, but you'll get a much better texture with that final oven step. That's it! These breakfast burritos are easy, budget-friendly, and a total game changer for busy mornings. Your future self is going to love you.